네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 러드런입니다. 오늘은 BMW에서는 무엇을 하고 있을까를 알아봤어요. BMW는 독일 회사죠. BMW에서는 일반과 다르게 AI라든 그쪽보다는 순수 모터사이클 개발에 더 박차를 가하고 있었습니다. 실제 매우 독특한 컨셉의 일렉트릭 바이크를 전 세계에 발표한 적이 있고요. 최근 BMW 특유의 박스 엔진을 모티브로 한 컨셉 E 바이크를 발표를 했습니다. 실차가 아무래도 이런 식으로 출시되지 않을까 싶은데요. 이렇게 나온다면 너무 멋있을 것 같아요. 그리고 빠른 실내에 이것도 만나볼 수 있지 않을까 싶습니다. 이 바이크 성능은 실제로 동급 엔진과 함께 성능을 압도하고 있습니다. 가속력이 너무 엄청나요. 토브가 굉장하기 때문에 이게 미션까지만 들어가면은 순식간에 엔진 바이크를 압도할 수 있습니다. 이외에도 자막으로 영상 내용을 정리를 해봤습니다. 그럼 즐겁게 감상하세요.
Our past is defined by innovation and sheer driving pleasure. All done the BMW way. But what will the future look like? The best way to predict the future is to create it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you. Great to see you again. And as you can see, I'm joined on the stage now by Mr. Harald Kruger, Chairman of the Board of Management for BMW AG. Good to see you again, Mr. Kruger.
Good to see you, Emma.
And we shouldn't go any further without looking at this, a beautiful vision car. It is the BMW Motorrad's Vision DC Roadster, a glimpse of the future, perhaps, Mr. Kruger.
Yeah, isn't it fantastic? And I promised two word concepts today, and that's the second one.
Yeah.
The first, Vision Roadster, and I think I would love to drive away now, but this is not what is allowed. But no, it was great here to see this product. It's great that BMW is not just having cars, it does have motorcycles. And so you can see that we are in every area of mobility.
Yeah.
So what do you take away from today? Definitely, BMW is well prepared for the future. We have fantastic solutions. We are at the forefront of technology and leadership. We will offer our customers sustainable solutions produced in sustainable production, and always will have some emotional surprises. Yeah? And we are at the forefront of the leaders in terms of driving the future of mobility. And I'm very confident that you will take this one away from the workshops. I hope you enjoyed the workshops. Did you enjoy the workshops?
Yes, indeed.
And thanks really for taking the time. Thanks really for being with us here in the BMW world, in the heart of BMW. You've seen that we are offering a lot of great products, great services, great motorcycles. Emma, if it would be Christmas, I could have offered this motorcycle to you. But we already agreed on something else. But we keep it as a secret. We keep it as a secret. But ladies and gentlemen, I would really like to thank you for coming. It was a pleasure to have you all here. I hope you're convinced that BMW is definitely the leader of the pack, that we are having solutions for our customers, that in the future you will still the ride, the joy of driving the East and the Boost modes. and please come back, and hopefully you're giving us some real feedback about what you achieved and saw today. And thanks again for coming.
Yeah, well, thank you too, Mr. Harald Kruger, Chairman of the Board of Management for BMW AG. Thank you very much, sir. Well said. Well,
Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.
You're the boss. You can have it if you want. Thank you so much, Mr. Kruger.